Welcome to Brisk. We are so excited for you to get started. Brisk is a browser extension and web platform that brings AI into the tools you already use. With Brisk, you can create lessons, instructional materials, give feedback, and support every student, and everything you create saves right to your Google Drive, OneDrive, or within My Library within Brisk on the web, fully editable. Today, I'll walk you through how to get started. To create your account, you can just head right to the Brisk Teaching homepage. You can go ahead and click Get Started to create your account. You'll be prompted to create an account, and you can always sign up with Google, Microsoft, or another account. I'm going to select Google, but the process will look the same if you select Microsoft. From here, I'm just going to select my account, and then next, you'll see that I'll be able to enable my permissions. Enabling permissions is standard anytime you add an extension to your browser. So I'll go ahead and click Allow. You'll now see that we've landed on Brisk on the web, and down below, you have access to your Brisk extension. Let's take a minute to pin our extension just to make sure it's always easy to access. I'm going to go right up to the puzzle piece, and then I'm going to look for Brisk Teaching and click the pin icon. Now you'll see that Brisk will live right at the top of your browser. You'll notice that if I click on it, it'll disappear from down below, and then if I click on it again, it'll return to my screen. Now I have access to Brisk on the web and the Brisk extension. Remember, you can use the Brisk extension alongside so many other resources. Let me give you a quick overview. You can open the Brisk extension right over top of any YouTube video, web article, docs, slides, and more. Remember, you can always choose the plus sign here to upload photos, files. You can even attach from your Google Drive and OneDrive. You can always select more than one, too. There are so many ways to use both the extension and Brisk on the web. You are now ready to get started with Brisk.